As you may recall from an earlier episode, my car came with all red tail lights. That means red lights as well as red indicators. That's not allowed here. The indicator lights have to be amber. Luckily, you can buy replacement lenses which are partly red and partly amber, which you could see in the last video. But there is one major problem. The socket that fits a light bulb with two filaments for rear light and stop light is located in the amber part of the lens. So the two sockets need to be switched. The sockets are basically a piece of tube that are pushed through a hole in the reflector, and the edge is bent to keep it in place. It's more or less like a rivet. The biggest challenge is to grab the edge to bend it back without folding it. But once you get it started, it's a lot easier with the rest. It's a tight fit, so the entire wall needs to be bent 100% back for the socket to let go. I'm at the limit of my patience here. Finally, now I need to get them ready to fit back in, and remember to switch them. They also turned out to be slightly different in size, but not more than what was possible to handle. I drilled a hole in a piece of wood to drop the socket into. I then took a piece of cylindric metal that I had tapered in the end and hammered into the opening of the socket. The idea was that this should bend the edges out again. It worked to a certain extent, but not good enough. The tool made the initial bend, but I had to hammer down the edges in small steps with a steel pin. That was just one socket. One more to go. And then there is the other tail light. It's not the most beautiful solution, but it works, and no one will ever see it.